Hello everyone, this is Maurizio, Marketing Director at EPC. I am here in San Antonio, Texas at APEC conference, and we are at the last day, and I have the pleasure to be here with Alex Lidow, CEO of EPC. Hi Alex, how are you?
Hi Maurizio. Pleasure is mine.
Absolutely, the pleasure is always mine. So, it's the last day, last hour at APEC. So, how was this event? Please share your comments.
I mean, it really was a very, very good event. It's exciting to see all the people that are, now trying to follow EPC into AI.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of excellent solutions and certainly a lot of energy around that subject in particular.
Yeah, I can see a lot of application in terms of GaN from robotics, humanoids, drones. So motor control is important. Also AI data centers, as you said, we have shown 800 volt to 12 and other subsystems. So I guess that people are talking more about AI, but without a good power management system, you cannot run AI. So GaN is AI, as we are here.
GaN is AI, and I think that EPC's GaN is demonstrating here that what's good for AI is also good for motors. It's also good for a lot of things, including space electronics. Yeah. Right? And today AI is what everybody's talking about now. They're all basically coming in after us. We've been on AI server cards for 7 years now. As far as I know, we're the only GaN that's ever been on a server card, and we're expanding tremendously on the server card. We also have solutions all the way back to 800 volts, which is exciting because it's driving new topologies.
Yeah. And in terms of AI server, new topology, ISOP converter, ISOP architecture, so please tell more to our audience why it's so important.
So ISOP stands for inputs in series, outputs in parallel. What it really means is that you can take a lot of low voltage power supplies and stack the inputs up to create a high voltage, and then parallel the outputs to create a low voltage that's high current. And so we're showing here our ISOP 8 stage, which has 800 volt stages stacked up, and a 12.5 volt output, 6 kilowatts, and it's about 5,000 square millimeters. It's tiny. And I think that these new high voltages have allowed these architectures like ISOP to come out and show that they're not only lower cost, but very, very efficient, space-wise and conversion-wise.
So now we are, so this is the last day at APEC, but we are moving to the next conference, PCIM. So in these months, what can we expect? What can people, audience, our community can expect from GaN, from EPC?
Well, we're in our 7th generation of technology, and we keep rolling out 7th generation products. We focused first on the low voltage side, so 40 volts, 25 volts, 15 volts, and now we're rolling back and doing some high voltage products and making them Gen 7 and bringing much higher performance. And we have more of the low voltage to roll out as well, bigger die, lower on resistance. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We also have some surprises coming with our ICs, but I can't tell you about them yet.
Yeah, and stay in touch with us, epc-ceo.com. Thank you, Alex.
Thanks, Maurizio.
See you next. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Have a good day.